Hi guys, welcome to Mahamaya tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to create a coupon inside the WooCommerce plugin. Go to WooCommerce and the coupon section. Click on add coupons. Write the coupon code. As for me, I'll be writing Mahamaya, and in the description you can write anything. For me, I'm writing enjoy first sign up. And the next option is the general. In the general discount type, we have four options: discount, card percentage discount, product discount, and the product percentage discount. In the cart discount, you'll get a discount on the total cart value, but in case of cart percentage discount, you'll get a discount based on the percentage. Like if you are allowing a 50% discount, it will be total on the 50% discount on the cart value, and in the here you'll get the certain amount of money discounted. Same like in the product discount, you'll get a discount on a particular product, and the product percentage discount, you'll get a percentage discount on a particular product. In the coupon amount, you can choose a discount or a percent discount according to your needs. I'll be giving you percentage discount. Here I have selected percentage discount, so it will be 50% discount. But if I'll choose card discount, it will be $50 discount. And if I'll go for product discount, it will be $50 subtracted from that particular product, and product percent discount on that particular product, I'll give you 50% discount. Next, you can choose create allow free shipping. For the free shipping option, I have created another videos, go and watch that video. And next, you can add your coupon expiry date. Allow free shipping, you can allow the customer for the free shipping option, but for make sure that you have selected a free shipping in the setting option. For that, I have created a different video, go and watch that video, that how to create a free shipping product using WooCommerce plugin tutorial. Next is coupon expiry date, you can add a coupon expiry date if you need. Next is the users restriction, you can restrict the minimum amount to spend. Like I'll restrict $200 minimum amount is spent, and the maximum amount to spend is, you can limit the coupon with a maximum amount spent. This means the coupon won't work if the total value exceeded the given limit. Next is the individual use only, you can check this box if you don't want that any other coupons to be mixed with this coupon. Next is exclude sell, the coupon won't be valid if item is on the sell. You can choose this option when you don't want to give extra discount on the sell item. Next option is the product, you can choose the product for which you want to give discount, or you are allowing them to take a discount. And exclude the product, you can choose a particular product for that you don't want to give a discount. Next is the product category, you can choose a category like music or anything, any category you can choose that you want to give a discount on these two. And next is the exclude category, you can write the category on which you don't want to give, like Zoom, I don't want to give discount on the chaos, and on accessories I don't want to give discount. So you can choose this categories according to your needs. Next, you can restrict the email, for a particular email you don't want to give discount, so you can write those emails here. You can include n numbers of emails, you can add n numbers of emails by giving a commas option, like xyz@.com, comma @.com, like that, etc. You can separate by using a comma option. And next is the use limit per coupon, you can restrict the number of times for which that coupons can be used. Like you can create for 1000 first coupon user, like I'll give you 1000 coupon will be valid, and afterwards will show invalid. For them it will be an invalid coupon, and the maximum limit is 1000 people can only use a coupon. And next, you can limit the coupon per user, like I'll give the user only once they can use the coupon, so I'll write here 1. If you want them to use twice, then you write 2. As like you can move in this format. Next, click on publish. I have written the Mahamaya 50. I'll go to product option. I have already added one product inside my cart. Now I'll apply coupon code, the Mahamaya 50. Now click on apply coupon. As you can see, I'm getting 50% discount, and the shipping rate is flat rate. You can change the shipping rate. In the next video, I have created how to create a free shipping coupons. Next, I'll change it to card discount and I'll click on update. Next, refresh the page. As you can see, I'm getting only $50 discount. I hope you got the coupon option, how it's actually work. I hope you like my tutorial. If you like the tutorial, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, go and hit the subscribe button.